You can have the best training, the most powerful weapons, and cutting-edge technologies. But all this expertise is wasted without proper maintenance and supply management. Maintenance managers need timely and accurate data to keep equipment mission-ready. Otherwise, they're operating in the dark, and all it takes is one maintenance problem to put lives at stake. GOLDesp can help reduce the risk. It's the #1 tri-service software for maintenance, repair, and overhaul, or MRO. The developer is Tapestry Solutions, a Boeing company. The enterprise solution provides total lifecycle sustainment for the world's most complex assets. Highly sophisticated equipment in land, air, sea, and space environments. Customers on 5 continents trust GOLDesp to keep equipment operational for the long haul. GOLDesp provides a seamless solution for maintenance and supply, saving time and money while increasing mission readiness. It transforms raw data into meaningful, useful information, giving users clear insights into the availability of their assets at all times for faster, better decisions. GOLDesp automates the workflow, making it easy to schedule maintenance, order parts, and support equipment. You can track the performance of assets, including health and history, with just the click of a button. You can determine whether a spare is in a warehouse, installed on an end item, or midstream through the repair cycle. GOLDesp also provides access to the U.S. military supply system for parts procurement. It interfaces with the new Defense Logistics Management Standards, or DELMS, which goes live in 2020. DELMS replaces the older military logistics system known as MILS. As a modular enterprise solution, GOLDesp interfaces with existing ERP systems. It offers the building blocks and flexibility to grow with emerging technologies. During deployments, GOLDesp provides a secure, offline maintenance capability. The new mobile line maintenance application allows you to plan and record maintenance activities on a mobile device in a disconnected environment, and afterwards sync the data with the GOLDesp central server. Whether deployed or at home base, GOLDesp provides the right information at the right time to maximize equipment uptime and lower sustainment costs. Our troops need and deserve GOLDesp so they can achieve mission success and return home safely.